What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. I haven't uploaded a video in quite a while, but I got you guys today. So today I just wanted to give you guys a quick look at the Human Races that released on October 20th, which was a collab with Adidas and Pharrell's clothing brand, Billionaire's Boy Club. Starting off with the box, this is a US size 10 and labeled as BBC Human NMD. You have Pharrell's logo as well as the Adidas logo at the top of the box. Paper is standard. It has the Adidas trifoil logo. The shoe itself comes with the second set of laces that's more of like a neon yellow, similar to the upper, however it is a little different. So looking at the shoe, it features a white midsole with blue pods as well as a blue cage. It comes standard equipped with the white laces as well as 3M interweaved between. The upper is comprised of prime knit with different color blockings. We have white, yellow, white, red, as well as the letters on this side says heart in navy blue. Heel tab is red with a gold trifoil logo. And the bottom is actually different from the standard NMD or Human Races that released in the past. This one has a more of an like all-terrain type of style outsole, and it protrudes quite a bit. The difference on the other pair is the logo in the heel. It has the BBC logo in gold. Also, this pair says mine on this side. So the left side of the shoe says mine, while the right shoe says heart. Well, other than that, both pairs are the same. They have some minor differences. We have heart, mine. Logos in the heel. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I just wanted to give you guys a quick look at a recent pickup that I had. I hope you guys can subscribe and give me a thumbs up. And I look forward to seeing you guys in the future. Thank you.